Welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this tip that I will give you right now. So I've been doing makeup for some time now, ever since I was 17, and over time I've gotten better, and practice does make perfect. So today I want to share with you a tip that I learned over time, which now that I look back on my old photos, I'm like, what in the hell was I thinking? And why did someone let me out like that? Like, I guess it looked normal to me at the moment, but it was not normal. Demonstrate the difference. So I've kind of like grown to do my makeup this way. So everyone has a personal preference. This is mine. I personally think that this technique is the right way, that it just looks more flawless and looks more like, how do I explain it? It looks more like seamless. That's a better word. So I'm obsessed with makeup, and just I feel like makeup is to enhance what you already have, not to kind of distract from what you have and like take away from what you have. So I feel like when I used to do this, it's kind of like I was letting the makeup wear me instead of me wearing the makeup, if that makes any sense. So I don't know, you guys can be the judge. I will definitely share my photos with you. But what the whole thing that I want to talk about is blending your makeup. I know it's such a simple trick, not trick, but like a simple thing to do while you're doing your makeup. But I personally, myself included, did not always used to do that. From just my eyebrows to my bronzer, contour, powder, nose contour. See this? This side. This side is like, it looks more like flawless. It looks more seamless. Look at this. Look at the difference. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Look at the blush. This is blended. It kind of melts. This is like in your face. I was punched with some blush on my face. And then last but not least, well, my lips, I did them, I don't know how to do half lips. I think that you don't blend your lips, you just put it on, right? When you contour your jawline, you could see I did not blend. I did not seamlessly blend this in. It looks super obvious. Look at this side. Very subtle. It's there. So this is a puffy brush like this. Not for what's it called? For foundation, you want to use a beauty blender if you would like, or if you are using a brush, you want to make sure you are blending the crap out of that foundation, so just seamlessly just like melts within your skin. The more you blend, the more you will see how great your foundation looks. So I use the same foundation on each side and everything, but the point is, again, blending is your best friend. You want to use some sort of puffy brush like this. It could be any kind of brush, as long as it's puffy and soft and it's a little bit firm but not like too firm. And you just want to blend the crap out of everything you do. So for example, after I do my contour, so I did cream contour, and then I blended that with my beauty blender. Then I did the powder on top, I blended that with the brush. Then I did my blush, blended. You guys get the point. Highlight, especially the highlight. Look at this, it's like, oh yeah, you're just glowing, right? Here it's like, oh yeah, look, she's wearing, it's so obvious you're wearing a bunch of highlight. I don't know. Again, if this is how you like to do it, ignore my video. If you like what I'm talking about and you like get my point, please blend away. You could like, so I used my blush that I wore here as my eyeshadow. It's just one eyeshadow, that's it. And then I put, you know, highlight in here. So again, like the difference, I also put a white, like a nude eyeliner. And so this one I didn't blend, right? And this one I put some on and I kind of just smudged it. So it looks a little more like natural, a little more natural, I guess. So anyways, I'm also going to show you guys, I'm gonna put up the pictures that I'm gonna show you guys. So the first picture I'm gonna put up is Holy Motherland. Like, why do I have so much blush on, first of all? I mean, I've always been a blush person. I love blush. I still love blush a lot. But this picture, what in the hell is going on? And clear, you could see this over here. You could see the jawline. I didn't blend there. And like, it just looks really not good. Like the blush looks atrocious, I feel, now that I look back. And then the second picture is like wholly beyond. Like, I feel like the blush has taken over my whole face. I guess that was my thing back then. And I was not blending anything. You could see, this is so embarrassing. So this is 2013 at a Daisy wedding. You could see like the super white, ghostly, you know, highlight underneath my eye. You could see, this is so like, you could see, this is embarrassing. You can see how I put highlight in my tear duct. It's so kapow in your face. And then it just looks horrible. It looks terrible. I thought it looked hot that day. I did not. Now that I look back, I look disgusting. I look like a friggin' Bozo the Clown with all that blush on. It's not good for me. It wasn't good for me. So again, like, I don't know. This side is just so nice. It's like, whoosh. This side, for me, it's like a little bit of like rocky waters. And then, so I'm gonna show you my evolution of better makeup. So then, the next photo is from, I think it's like not last year, New Year's Eve, but the year before. Much better. I mean, my smoky eye looks better. Just the highlight under my eyebrow looks better. I really like that smoky eye I did. And look at my blush and my contour. This is like, I stepped it up. I finally stepped it up. Like the makeup, it doesn't look like, I don't look like Holy Mother. Like, what are you doing? You know, I don't know. Again, I'm not like some professional makeup artist, but for me, this is my personal preference, and I just feel it just looks so much more flawless and seamless, and it doesn't look like your makeup is wearing you. It's like, oh, you have some makeup on to enhance, and it looks like, you know, like a glow within. I still have like I have a good amount of product, don't get me wrong. I'm not wanting to be subtle. I'm not about the subtle life. I'm about the makeup life. I'm about like kapow. But I'm not about this. Not anymore. I've grown for myself. This is how I like to do my makeup. Again, I'll show you guys. Very nice. And it's like, it doesn't look like hideous. It's totally doable. And one more thing I wanted to share is, so I have my favorite mascara on, and I put 4 coats on here, and I put like 2 half-ass coats on here. So as you could see, I don't know, I feel like this, doing the proper amount of coats, you're making your product work properly. I feel like there used to be a time, this is just a side note tip, there used to be a time where I would buy mascara, and I'm like, this mascara sucks. It's not doing anything it says it's gonna do. This is stupid. And what I was doing wrong was I was not doing enough coats at all. I would do 1 coat and I'm like, this doesn't look like what it says. This is dumb. This is stupid. No, the problem was me, not the mascara. You gotta work it in, baby. You gotta work it in. So look at that. I worked it in. And then this is a nice zoom in. Sorry, I have like, so I've been doing, another side note, I've been doing the Dr. Dennis Gross, what's it called? Peels. And I feel like my skin is purging. So I have like all this like crap going on in my skin right now. That's besides the point. I just wanted you guys to know. And I'm gonna demonstrate just by, let's see, I'm gonna stand up a little. Just by blending, how it will make a difference so fast. I'm gonna blend. Blend. You want a fluffy brush? You see that? I mean, it's not day and night, it's not just like this, but it really helps a lot. So the whole point of this video is blending is your best friend. Don't be afraid to blend away. I hope you guys enjoyed that embarrassing photos of mine and how I've kind of matured within my makeup techniques personally. Again, if you like your makeup not blended, then don't blend your makeup. But I just want to share this tip with you guys because I feel like I really like it like this, and I feel like you would maybe like it too. It just looks more flawless and seamless. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys get my point. And you guys saw I looked like Bozo the Clown. And thrown off right now. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you get what I'm saying. If you don't like it, please don't send me hate comments or anything. Please be nice. You do you. I'm not the makeup police. I'm just a little tip advisor. Makeup tip advisor sometimes, I guess. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Toodles.